Well, here's my garage attic lift that I made to lift heavy things into the attic. Well, first thing I did was make a hole in the ceiling about 2 feet by 4 feet. Then I went to Harbor Freight and I bought a hoist. This hoist is rated for 440 pounds with one cable. Well, I made the lift with some garage door parts. My ceiling is 12 feet and I got a 14-foot custom-made cable, but I bought some commercial cable drums for an 18-foot ceiling so that when I have the carriage completely up, I still have plenty of room left on the drum. I did get solid 1-inch steel shaft, nice and heavy duty, and I got 4 bearings to put the cable drums on. The way I attached the hoist to the shaft was I welded a metric socket on the end of the steel shaft so that it can mate up with the metric hex on the end of the hoist. And here I made the carriage. The carriage is made out of 1-inch steel square tubing and a piece of plywood on the bottom. The reason I made this lift is I got these 12-foot ceilings and it's a real pain to lift heavy stuff up to the attic. Let me just give you a look at how many stairs I've got to climb up to get in my attic. The lift works really well.